It looks like we have an oil leak going on here. Everything here is wet, covered in oil. But it's funny because I replaced the valve cover gasket not too long ago, and it seems to be dry. But if we take a look over here, there's this small cam cap, and it looks like it's leaking. So let's replace it. Okay, so it needs a couple of love taps. Yeah, that's more like it. I think now I have enough space to replace this freaking cap. Yeah, I think I have enough space to replace that freaking cap. This is impossible to do with one hand. Let's try it like this. You got it. Yeah, so no wonder why it was leaking. Only one oil ring over here. This one has 3. Yeah, I think the dimensions are mostly the same. So let's put this bad boy on. Yeah, that's enough. Bingo! Bingo, bingo, bingo. Sitting in position. Nice. So now what I need to do is to put this all back into place, but as we can see over here, I have to be very careful with the rockers because they are not centered. So yeah, let's be very careful and very gentle with this. Oop. Oh, this is a problem. Oop. That's better. Everything torqued down. The valves that are not pressed down seem to have an adequate amount of valve lash, although I have not measured it, but everything seems to be okay. Maybe this one has too much, but I don't know. That will be a job for another day. Oil level low, and now let's see if it starts. Another problem fixed.